Okay, this video is on how to type math equations into a Microsoft Word document. First, I'm going to type something simple. X squared plus y squared equals 25. I type in x, then I'm going to type in the second power. To do that, you come up here and you see all these boxes get highlighted. I come up to the Superscript button. It's an X with a square. That's the Superscript button. It raises the cursor. So I click on that and the cursor is raised. Now when I type in 2, it raises that up. So I have X to the second power. Now the cursor's still up there. If I type in, it's still going to be in the Superscript position. So I have to click on the Superscript button again to bring my cursor down. Plus y squared. To get into the square, I have to go back up to the Superscript button. It raises the cursor. I hit square. Now I'm still up there. I have to push the button again to lower it. All that button does is toggle it up or down the cursor. Equals 25. So this is typing in an equation, x squared plus y squared equals 25. Now, there's another way of doing this. We're going to insert an equation box. We're going to insert an equation box. So first, I'm going to hit Insert. Then to the far right, Equation. If you click on the little arrow, it says Insert New Equation. So I'm going to click on that. And I'm inserting a new equation. Now, I want to type in the exact same thing. X squared plus y squared equals 25. Well, in this box, they give us a lot of stuff up here. Click on the fraction box up here and click on the arrow. It gives us different ways of typing in fractions. You see, it gives us all these different methods, different styles of typing in a fraction. You can go to script, and it gives us superscript, subscript, and different symbols or different setups. It gives us square roots. And then there's other stuff that we don't use. Brackets maybe we might use. So I'm going to type in x squared plus y squared equals 25. In the script button, I want to go to superscript. If I click on that, I get two boxes that show up. I'm going to just type in the first box. I'm clicking in the first box and typing in x. Then I'm clicking in the second box and typing in square. I'm just going to move my arrow over button, my arrow right button over, and it brought my cursor down. I'm going to type in plus. Then I want to type in y squared. If you hit y white right now, it's okay, but it's best if you're going to type in y squared, go up to the script button and click on the superscript because it gives you two boxes and you're going to type them both in. Now you can click on the box or use your arrow buttons to move and toggle back and forth. Y squared then equals 25. So I have x squared plus y squared equals 25. Click outside of the box and you'll see we have our equation. Now I'm going to click back in the box and I want to move my equation to the left. So if I go to home, there's justifications here. It tells you where you're moving your box. So I clicked in the box, and I'm going to justify to the right. Align my text to the left, I mean. If I click on that, I aligned my text to the left. Okay, now let's get crazy. We're going to type in the quadratic formula. So that's got fractions and square roots and everything. We're going to insert equation, insert new equation, and the quadratic equation starts off by saying x equals, and then there's a fraction. So I'm coming up to fraction, clicking on the arrow box, and I get options. I want this standard fraction. Negative b. Then there's a plus or minus next. If you know the quadratic formula, it's negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. So I need a plus or minus symbol. You can come over here. These are extra symbols that you can use, and you can go up or down and see all the different math symbols. I want the plus or minus. I just happen to have it in the front. Plus or minus. Now I want a square root symbol. I come up to my radical, and I pick which square root I want. I want the standard square root button. And in here, now I have square root b squared minus 4ac. If I want b squared, I have to do the script. And I get b squared. And then I can just type in minus 4 times a times c. And it's all divided by 2a. And I click outside my box, and I have my equation. I hope this helps you typing in math equations on your documents. Thanks for watching.